The role of the Bond girls has changed over the years. In this particular movie, the Bond girl is almost a counterpart to Bond himself.
I'm playing Camille, the feisty girl. She has to get the revenge. Actually, I do have a few action scenes, and I'm looking forward to doing them because I haven't done much yet, but I've done a lot of training.
She really has got a lot of stuff to do. You know, she's on the boat for the boat chase, parachuting, fighting, driving a car. So she really has got to be up to speed.
I never had such intensive workout and preparation for the movie.
The actors are doing stunts on a moving boat, and it's not against the green screen, so you're always a little nervous that the performances are there, but at the same time you're getting what you want action-wise.
I'm doing a lot of stunts by myself. It's incredible how it always starts with me saying, oh, there's no way I can do it. I look at it, I'm like, okay, I can't do it. And I end up doing it.
Olga's doing fantastically well. I think she's realising she's in a Bond movie now because we started doing the boat stunts.
Daniel helped me overcome my fear. He was there, and after each take, he would ask me, are you okay, are you okay?
It can be a sore experience.
In my life, I would never do something like that, and for the movie I had to, and I'm very proud of myself.